everyone, I am Earl Justin and I will explain the algorithm of our program. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to solve problems. It serves as the blueprint of our program before we write the code. Our algorithm starts by asking the user to enter student's name, quiz score, class standing score, major exam score, and their corresponding weights.
After receiving the inputs, the program computes the weighted average using the weighted grading formula. Next, it determines whether the student passed or failed using a ternary operator. It also checks the student's Latin, honors, classification, and dean's list eligibility using conditional statements.
Finally, the program displays the grade report, including the student's information, weighted average, remark, Latin honors classification, and dean's list eligibility. That is the complete algorithm of our program. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am MIKAELA LACADEN and I will discuss the pseudocode. Pseudocode is a simple and readable way of describing the logic of a program without following the exact syntax of programming language. In our pseudocode, we first start the program and declare the necessary variables.
Then, we prompt the user to input student's name, quiz score, class standing score, major exam score, and their corresponding weights. The program calculates the weighted average using arithmetic operations.
After that, it checks whether the weighted average is 75 or higher to determine if the student passed or failed. Then uses conditional statements to determine the appropriate Latin honors classification and whether the student qualifies for the dean's list.
Lastly, the program displays the complete grade report and ends the program. The pseudocode helps us organize the program logic before converting it into Java code. Thank you.
I'm Hilaga, and I will explain the flowchart of our program. So, a flowchart is a graphical representation of the program's process. It uses different symbols connected by arrows to show the sequence of steps and the decision made by the program. Our flowchart begins with the start symbol. The program then asks the user to enter the student's name, quiz score, class standing score, major exam score, and the corresponding weights for each given input.
After receiving all the requirements input, the program calculates the student weighted average using the weighted grading formula. Next, program evaluates the weighted average. It first determines whether the student has passed or failed by checking if the weighted average is 75 or above. This decision is presented by a diamond symbol which indicates a decision making. The program then proceeds to determine the student's Latin honors classification by comparing the weighted average with the required grade ranges. Another set of decision symbols is used to identify whether the student qualify as summa cum laude, magna cum laude, or no Latin honors. After that, the program checks if the student is eligible for dean's list based on specified conditions using relational and logical operators.
Finally, the program displays the complete grade report including the student name, weighted average, final remark, Latin honors classification, and dean list eligibility. The flowchart ends with the end symbol indicating that all processes have been completed. That concludes the explanation of our flowchart. Thank you.
Everyone, I am DANICA, and I will explain the Java implementation of our program. We implemented the program using the Java programming language. The program uses the scanner class to accept input from the user.
After that, we declare variable to store the student's name, score, grade, weighted average, remark, Latin honors classification, and list eligibility. Arithmetic operators were used to compute the weighted average, while relational and logical operators were used to compare the computed grade with the required condition.
A ternary operator determines whether the student passed or failed, and if-else statements are used to assign the Latin honor classifications and Dean's List eligibility. Finally, the program displays a well-formatted grade reports containing all the computed results.
This Java implementation demonstrates the use of input statements, arithmetic operations, conditional statements, relational operators, logical operators, and the ternary operator to solve the given problem. And that's all. Thank you.